Hello friends, good morning. As in previous lecture, we discussed about the mirror formula of spherical mirror and linear magnification. In this video lecture, we discuss what is the values of linear magnification in different cases of objects for concave mirror and for convex mirror. We see that first linear magnification for concave mirror. The value of linear magnification m will be equal to -1 when object is at center of curvature, because we know that when object is at center of curvature of a concave mirror, then the image formed by the concave mirror is real, inverted, same size and center of curvature. As we know that linear magnification is m equal to xi upon x naught, means height of image upon height of object, when the height of object and image are same but they are opposite. Hence, linear magnification will be -1 in next one, please. Second, n greater than -1 when object is at distance less than radius of curvature. If we put the object before the radius of curvature, then magnification will be -1. And next case, here m greater than -1, m greater than -1 when object is beyond C, and m greater than +1 when object is between pole and focus of mirror. As we know that when object is between pole and focus of mirror, then the image formed is virtual, erect, behind the mirror and larger than object. In that case, it will be the greater than 1. Clear? Now, we will discuss linear magnification for convex mirror. As we know that the image formed by convex mirror is always virtual, erect and diminished, means smaller than the object. In that case, the linear magnification will be m less than 1 and greater than 0, means the value will be of linear magnification positive, and positive value is always greater than 0. Clear? Now, we discuss some numerical problems. The first problem is that a convex mirror is used. Question is that a convex mirror is used for real view. For real view, a convex mirror is used for real view on an automobile. On an automobile, has radius of curvature, has a radius of curvature, has a radius of curvature 3 meter radius of curvature 3 meter. If bus is located, if a bus is located, if a bus is located at 5 meter, at 5 meter from this mirror, from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image, Clear? The question is that automobile has a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 3 meter. A bus is located 5 meter distance from the mirror. Then we have to find the position, means V, size HI of an object, and the nature, means the image formed by this will be real or virtual. क्लियर? इसमें हमें क्या करना है? पोजीशन फाइंड आउट करना है, नेचर फाइंड आउट करना है, एंड हमें साइज फाइंड आउट करना है. जो इमेज होगी उसकी साइज क्या होगी. एज गिवन, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर 30 are equal to 30, because we know that the radius of curvature of convex mirror is positive while the concave is negative, are equal to 30. Clear? Means 3 meter है, not 30, 3 meter. Clear? Now we know the relation between R and F, radius of curvature and focal length. F equal to R by 2. We know that the relation between R and F, R equal to F by 2, sorry, F equal to R by 2. Clear? Hence we find the value of F equal to 3/2, means F equal to 1.5 meter. Clear? Now we have find out the focal length of the mirror, and after that we have to calculate the position of the mirror, as the position of the bus is at 5 meter and the position of an object is always negative, means minus 5 meter. So first of all, we calculate the position of image, means V. So 1/V plus 1/U equal to 1/F by Miller formula. So 1/V equal to 1/U minus 1/U plus 1/F. Clear? 1/V equal to minus 1/U plus 1/F. Now we will put the value. Clear? Here 1/V equal to 1/ minus sign. First of all, U minus 5 plus 1/F. 1/F means 1.5. Clear? Now we saw 1/V equal to minus, both numerator and denominator minus, hence plus 1/5 plus 1/1.5. The LCM of 5 and 1.5 will be 7.5. So 1 upon V equal to 7.5 means here 5 1 5 5 5 is 25, 5 1 5 2 25, 5 5 25 gives 1.5 plus 55 75 plus 5 means 1 upon V equal to 5 plus 1 0.5 is 6.5 upon 7.5. Clear? Now V equal to 7.5 upon 6.5. V equal to 7.5 upon 6.5. Now we can solve V equal to 5 1 5 5 5 25, 5 1 5 5 50 means 1.5 upon 1.3 are equal to 15 upon 30. 30 30, 2 50, 20, 30 30, 7, 35 75. So B equal to 1.15 meter. 1.15 meter. This will be the image position. Clear? The first part is completed. This will be the image position means 1.15 meter, and this is positive means the nature of image will be virtual. Clear? As we know that the convex mirror are used for the virtual image. Now the second part we have to calculate that the size to calculate that the size of the image means we have to calculate the magnification, because this object size is not given. Hence we will calculate the magnification, how many times it will magnify. Clear? Now we know that the magnification m equal to hi upon h naught minus equal to minus v upon u minus v upon u. So m equal to minus v minus 1.15 upon u minus u means minus 5. Clear? So minus cancels out. M equal to 1.15 upon 5. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. N equal to 0.23. As we mentioned that the magnification of convex mirror is positive and less than 1 means it will magnify the size of object 0.23 times. Clear? The questions has two parts. First, the position of image. After that, it asks the nature and the size. Size we will find when the object size is given. Hence, we here find out the magnification. If the size of object is given, then we will calculate the size of image by the help of this relation n equal to image size upon object size. When we put this value here and the object size here, then we can calculate the image size. Clear? In this way, this question is completed. We will discuss more numerical problems in next video. Thank you.